City Boys. So you guys know that I went to Vince's concert last October, and I finally got his tote bag from the VIP merch. So let's design it. Shit, why not? One of my goals as it relates to my art is just to keep pushing my own boundaries, and that includes changing up the canvases that I use. So when I got the tote bag in the mail, it was just white and blue. I was like, yo, let me do something with this. And I had a conversation with one of my friends, and he told me that I should make an art piece that's kind of related to Courage the Cowardly Dog, because he's like, oh, like your art style reminds me of that. So then one thing about my brain is gonna get to cooking. It's gonna get to cooking. And I was like, shoot, why can't my creatures be in Courage the Cowardly Dog? So I did make one of my creatures into the guy from Return the Slab. And then I made the Moon Man from Courage the Cowardly Dog. And then on top of that, I just made the scenery. So I made the little house, the windmill. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this piece. It was very fun making it. I did this in a span of 3 days. So I was really proud of myself for especially doing it so fast. Yeah, everything that I can do, you can do. But anything you can do, I can do better. Hey, I can do anything better than you. Nah, but I hope you guys enjoy this so much, City Boys. Please watch out for more art pieces coming along the way. And I have a new little things coming up for the channel, so just be watching out for that. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Vince, I know you're watching this, Vince, no shade. You like the video though, no shade. Make sure you like that actual video though, no shade, Vince. But the only thing is with the Ritz dye, I need to find another way to do it, because when I would wash it out and dry it, like all the color disappeared. So all the beautiful cloud work that I did went away. But it's okay. We live and we learn, and I'm just gonna keep just developing different skills as it relates to me working on different mediums and different forms. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Vince, I hope you enjoyed it. Vince, hit me up. Like, Vince, I'm still waiting for you to hit me up, no shade. But make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to be a City Boy. Bye, City Boys. And rest in peace to the creator of Courage the Cowardly Dog. When I found out that he died, that actually really did make me sad. But yeah, bye, City Boys.
I'll be lying if I told you that we got it on the low, but we got it out the door. If you need it, let me know. What you niggas know about 40s out, run up in somebody's house. If they home, then swing that chrome, knock his baby mama out. Fuck what you be talking about. We really bring these choppers out like Fox 11. Harmful weapons. Tell your girlfriend, call the reverend. Tell that pussy nigga talking, only leave his mama grieving. Never been to prom, so he can slow dance with this desert eagle. Understand my grind is crooked. TK with a SK. Let up one mag in your car dash like a all mean with a sec tape. Nigga, I'm him, my wave green like 2 lanes. See more drugs than 2 chains, talk more shit than 2 yays. Hall of Fame shooter, wig scuffing, 6 buffing. And my threat is a promise, I ain't one bit bluffing. I'm in one big room filled with abused substance. Sell, receive, paid, then ponder, replay. Never seen D-Day, watch that 16 spray. Leave 16 dead, buried on the east. So until I get my 97 bins, I'm selling dope. So get a call, we trappers open, nigga, everything's a go. I'll be lying if I told you that we got it on the low, but we got it out the door. If you need it, let me know. So until I get my 97 bins, I'm selling dope. So get a quote, the trappers open, nigga, everything's a go. I'll be lying if I told you that we got it on the low, but we got it out the door. If you need it, let me know. Rap ain't never did shit for a nigga with no options. You want some positivity, go listen to some comment. I'm here to bring you knowledge that they left out at your college, where you paid $100,000 just to fall behind anyway. All in the white man's plan to just assimilate the niggas. If it stop their business, let the monkeys integrate. Abraham Lincoln never kept none of my niggas safe. Only gave them prison dates and churches, chicken dinner plates. Columbus is beloved, when the fuck will Malcolm get a day? Probably never try to hide the truth, but they hold hardly clever, only show the youth. House niggas wearing Cosby sweaters, wisdom scripted in the prison letters that my father sent us. Waiting for Armageddon, still slinging that arm and hammer, using cops to target practice. They owe us a couple L's. How we gon' know the future when we barely know ourselves? It ain't hard to tell, the niggas got it hard as hell.
When I say thug life, I mean that shit. Cause these white folks see us as thugs. I don't care what y'all think. I don't care if you think you a lawyer, if you a man, if you an African American, if you whatever the fuck you think you are. We thugs and niggas to these motherfuckers. You know? And until we own some shit, I'ma call it like it is. How you gonna be a man and we starving? Go ahead. You know? And we you can walk by 5 different houses, ain't a man in either one of them motherfuckers. Why we gonna be a man? How we gonna be African American?
She was more beautiful than anything I ever seen. Was a dream I had longed for many years. How it broke my heart to see her shed a tear, but she deserved it. I wasn't perfect, nah, I never been. So tell me, why the hell was you expecting that? Bitching and complaining seems to me like you perfected that. If I would've knew, I would've never got so damn attached. Found out that she loves me not, now I'm in this Cadillac. Please don't panic, pretty lady, I won't do no stupid shit. Just wanna be the one you love, when you hug, when you kiss. It's funny cause ever since you left I even missed the shit you used to do to piss me off. They say your untampered love is lost, so I'm not down to you. Really though, I'm happy that you found a dude. But anyway, is the rope a little tight? It seems as if your wrists are bleeding, and I hope the tape around your lips doesn't constrict your breathing. Not much room, but the trunk's filled actually. That's why I got you in the backseat, love taxi. That's why I got you in the back seat. No, don't you know I love you so? So tell me why you wanna